Look at that. Look at that. Get one of those shots. Yeah. They like that. Yeah, you know they do. That's why they click the like button. They want those close-up shots right there. Like, oh yes. Oh, yes. Hello, you dirty potters. How are you today? Almost dropped it. Oh, I dropped that though. It is so difficult to mug trade with people because every single time I decide what I'm gonna make for a person, like I did in the last episode, this is what I planned to make Ryan. But since then, I've discovered like 2 more techniques that I really like with carving and doing a bunch of other stuff and different firing processes. So now I'm like, I don't wanna give him that stuff anymore. I wanna give him better stuff, newer stuff that I wanna play with. But this is it. I've already done the bisque load of all this final stuff. We're gonna glaze and give him one of these mugs that we're gonna be glazing right now. I'm putting my foot down to myself. I'm indecisive right now, not normal. Usually I'm very decisive. Click the like button. So instead of those things we made before, what we're gonna be glazing today are these carved porcelain mugs. I've made a couple of them and I really like them. We're gonna be glazing these mugs with a glaze that I recently did a glaze review on called PC-56 Ancient Copper. I'm super into this glaze and I wanna see what it does on texture, as well as I think he would love it for a mug trade. Some of you might remember the glaze review in which I reviewed this glaze PC-56, and some of you might remember that I did do one combo of my Laogai green and PC-56, and it looks like this. This turned out immaculate. This is my Laogai green mixed in with PC-56 from Amico, and it came out really nice. My issue is that I don't want to ruin these cups by making it drip, because as you can see right there, it almost ran off the shelf. But I always glaze 2 things just in case one fails. So I think this one here is probably gonna be Laogai green, and this one here I'm just gonna leave normal just in case it comes out really nice with those crystals. All right, Ryan's mugs are out of the kiln. Let's take a look at them. This one is a carved porcelain clay body with ancient copper from Amico. We did a glaze review on this quite some time ago and it was a banger. Like, it was a really good glaze. It's to the point where I can't make this glaze, so I'm probably gonna buy more of it in the future. But I really like the way that it went over these textures and I think Ryan would be happy with it. The colors are actually so complex that if I try and get a close-up of my camera, the shimmer from the light shining directly on it, and the different colors inside of the texture is confusing the camera, so it's focusing like over here and on a dark spot and on a yellow spot and on a red spot and on a black spot. And my camera's freaking out, man. This does not bode well for my camera, because if I'm being honest with you potters, this was the safety catch. Yes, this was the mug that I glazed in case the one that I really wanted didn't come out. But unfortunately for the Canon company, the one I wanted did come out pretty good. This mug is also on porcelain clay, and it's the same ancient copper glaze that you just saw. The only difference is that on the top I glazed it with Laogai green, a glaze that I've made myself. I will put that glaze down below my glazing profile if you want to make it. Just make sure to leave pictures, because research is the thing that helps us all. This portion up here, the top, is Laogai green, and you could definitely see that green. But when I mixed ancient copper in with Laogai green, this top portion here essentially became blue, and I don't understand why. I have no idea why like green and red together would make blue, but it's special and I like it, so this is the one that is going to Ryan. I wish you could see the blue a little bit better. It's really, you know what? I have an idea. Hold on, stay right there. First of all, put your pants on. I know it's sexy, but like, and then stay right there. Are you done staring at pretty colors yet? I'm pretty happy with this. I think this is the one that we're gonna send off to Ryan. Thank you, Dirty Potters, for joining me today. You know, I really do like these mug episodes, these mug trade episodes, because I get to meet new people, I get to see new combos, I get to do new tests, I get to expand myself as an artist, and I also get all the mugs from all the social media potters that other people want. I'm not cheating the system, it's called synergy.
Thank you for your patronage.
Get it? Yeah, right there for the thumbnail. Yeah, they like that. They like that drippy ippy dippy. They like that sloppy toppy mommy. Right there. They love that. That's their favorite. Is screen capture that, Donte. Put it on the thumbnail. They'll eat that up. Nom, 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 nom.